Hello, welcome everyone. I'm planning actually to unpack the stuff I bought from my Japan vacation with you guys. It's not that much, so I don't think it will take like too long. Hello, this is Banana from the future. It actually did take me about 2 hours to unpack everything. So I did split up the videos. We have 3 parts. This is like the beauty stuff. We have one with merch, and then we have one video with Pokemon cards. Okay, bye! But some of the stuff I have not touched yet since we bought it, basically. So we will see. First time for me to see them up close, basically. But yeah, the Japan vacation was amazing, actually. We went to so many places. It's actually insane. We were there for 3 weeks. And we started in Osaka, then we went to Kyoto, we went to Hiroshima, Fukuoka, we went to Himeji Castle, which was so beautiful. Like, the cherry blossom was insane in that place. I will post pictures on the Instagram, so if you follow there, you will see the pictures. But it was amazing. And then we went also further north to Nikko, which was also super amazing. It's like a very foresty area with also a lot of temples and stuff like that. And it's a very like a mystical forest, I would almost say. Hey Claudia, how you doing? Welcome in with the peachy fart. How you doing? But yeah, it was such a nice place. Also very known for its onsen, apparently. And we had bad luck though with the weather there, because it was very rainy the whole day. But it was also our only rain day while we were in Japan. And I feel like that's crazy because I was ready for so much rain. And the other days we had like a little bit of rain here and there for 20-30 minutes, but never like too bad. Then we went also to Mount Fuji. Amazing. I mean, we have mountains and stuff like that. We have high mountains in Germany, and I have seen other mountains in North America and stuff like that. I went to the Grand Canyon. But Mount Fuji hits differently. I don't know what it is about that thing, but it's so majestic. My god, it was amazing. Also, the hotel we had there was so cool. It was, why is the things muted? Here we go. It had like its own onsen stuff, and it was so cool. It was a very traditional one, where we also slept like on traditional Japanese beds on the floor, and the flooring was the traditional one where you're not allowed to walk on with shoes and stuff like that. So that was pretty cool, and the food was so good there as well. We had traditional breakfast for the time being there. We went also to Tokyo, of course, at the end. We had like 4 days in Tokyo, and I feel like it was enough for like a first glimpse of the most important parts of Tokyo. But if I would go back, I would like to spend some more days there, because there's so much to see. And it's crazy how crowded Tokyo is. Like the other cities we went to, Osaka, like we went to Hiroshima, that was nothing compared to Tokyo. Jesus Christ. Even with Kyoto, we were like super lucky. We were also very early at the places where we knew that it could be crowded. But even for that, it was not super empty, but it was for Kyoto quite empty. We were like, what the hell? Are we in the right place? Where is everyone? But it was good for us. But yeah, that was my Japan vacation in a fast way. Basically, it was amazing. I want to go back already. I miss Japan already. Such a cool country, honestly. The food, the people, the convenience stores. My god, the food there is so good, and it's also pricely like very convenient as well, as the name says. But my god, yeah, it was amazing. But yeah, should we start with the unpacking? I have it here. I have my collection. Some of the stuff I have not even used yet, so I can't give a review or anything. I can just be like, I bought this, I bought this, I bought this. We can do that real quick, I guess. Oh yeah, let's do it, and then we will continue with the exciting stuff. Yeah, some of it I have not tried myself yet, but we will see. Let's start with stuff I have actually tried. I think this was one of the... Wait, where is it? It's over there! Why is it on the back? Jesus. It was one of the first thing I bought because I did not have brought like 2 big shampoo bottles and stuff with me because I knew the internet was telling me, mostly TikTok, that Japan has apparently amazing shampoo stuff. And I don't know why, but everyone is going crazy about this and honey stuff apparently. So this is the shampoo. Look how pretty it is. It's pink. And this is the conditioner. Do I have to explain shampoo and conditioner, or is this normal knowledge for everyone? And the thing is, they have so many versions of this in the stores. This is like the one I bought first. It's the melty one. I think it's not too heavy, like moisturizing wise. Because the other stuff is, I think, for more drier hair. Because I have like normal to thin hair. And if it's like too heavy, it weighs my hair down. The bottles are so cool. They also have like other versions where the bottle really looks like a honey bottle. But they're so pretty. And I love the system they have there for shampoos, like in the pump thingy. That's like not common here, and it's so convenient in the shower actually. So I use these already in Japan. It smells really nice. I don't know if it's worth the hype, honestly. I had like some very bad hair days with those. I don't know if maybe it was also the water in Japan sometimes, because the water was also a bit on the chloric side, you know. So I don't know. Maybe here with my normal water and stuff, it will be better. It was not a bad shampoo. I was hoping for more, because those are super duper hyped on TikTok especially. Water destroys your hair. My sibling has mentioned that. Yeah, the water is not good. Well, the water, it depends. We had like amazing water when we were in Nikko. We had like an Airbnb there. And the dude who rented this to us, he told us, if you wash your water here, I think he was he British? I can't do a British accent. But he told us, if you wash your water here with this water, you will have fabulous hair. Because apparently, okay, that was not how he talked. I don't know why I did this accent. But apparently the reason was because the Airbnb we had was like very close to a temple. And like a temple where also a lot of monks were still living and doing stuff. And they had like super duper clean mountain fresh water. And we were so close to them that we had like the same pipes for water. So we also got the premium mountain water. We only stayed there for 1 day, but my god, my hair looked amazing the next day. But the other days, yeah, so I don't know if it was a fair try for those. Cause I have another hair product that I also used while I was there, cause my hair was going bananas. And this is also very hyped on the TikToks. It's the Mori. Is it called Mori? Do it, camera, what the fuck? Here we go, thank you. This is like a leave-in conditioner thing, so it's like a cream that you put in your hair after you've washed it, and then it stays moisturized. And what I really like is the smell of it. It smells like peach. It's amazing, and then your hair smells like peach all day. And in Japan, I was like, it's okay. It's doing something, but I was also hoping for more, so I did not. That's what I regret. I did not get a second bottle of this. And then I tried it out here at home. And oh my god, it makes such a difference. Like, the hair is so soft afterwards. I usually get a lot of frizz after I washed, and with this, no frizz. It's magic. And I didn't bring a second bottle. I have not used the shampoos here at home yet, because I still have some bottles I have to use up before. But now I'm scared that they are actually super duper good, and I regret not bringing more. Okay, hair stuff. Let's stay with the hair stuff, because I was not sure which one of the N honeys I need, because there's so many of them. And what I really like in Japan, they have a lot of those refill packs, like for shampoo and shower gel, here we go, stuff like that. So I was like, I'm gonna be smart, cause those are heavy. Those take a lot of room in the suitcase, and I don't know which one I want, cause this is the deep moist. It's deep. This is just melty, you see the difference? So this is apparently a bit heavier on the moisturizing side. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the refill pack for conditioner and shampoo. And when I have used up the other stuff, I'm just gonna put this in there. And I really like that I have so much of those refill things. It's so convenient. You don't have to throw away the bottles because, like, those are really good quality. They are heavy. They are well built. I can use this probably for years and years to come, honestly. All right, what else have I? I think that was... Oh, no, I have more hair stuff. But this is hair stuff I have not used. Why is it in a thingy? Okay, here we go. This is also from the Ant Honey brand. Jesus Christ. And this is basically a hair oil, so also a leave-in thing you can put in your hair to make it nice and shiny. Haven't used it yet. We will see. Only brought this one bottle. Same with this Yolu Calm Night Repair Hair Oil. Apparently you can put this in your hair overnight and it will do magic. So yeah, I will let you know if it does the magic or not. So, other stuff that I have tried is actually skin. And one of the things that is also like super viral is this. Don't know if you guys have seen that. It's like for cleaning your face. So those little thingies basically contain a powder that you mix in your hand with some water. And then it's apparently super good at cleaning your skin, especially if you have like a lot going on your face. How do you say it in English? If you want to have a deep clean, basically. I tried one of those already, and I really liked it. My skin felt clean. I think they're doing a good job. What I also used, one of the first things I bought in Japan, because my skin was also not taking the water well there, was this. Come on, camera. The Centella ampoule, which is like a serum thing you put on your skin. I already have seen a lot of people use that. I think it's actually a Korean brand, but it's super expensive if you import it here to Germany, so I never used it here. And there the pricing was more reasonable, so I was like, okay, I'm using this, and it's actually super good. I'm so obsessed with this stuff. It moisturizes your skin, but I have like mixed skin, so I get also easily greasy. And this stuff also regulates that a bit. So you get moisturizing, but you don't shine like butter. It's nice. Oh yeah, same with this thing. I think it's a Korean brand actually. This is like a face water toner thing. So you wash your skin, then you put on the toner, then you put on the serum, then you put on the cream, then you put on the eye cream, and then you put on the sun cream. So these are the steps basically. So this is also just helping a little bit to to moisturize and to prepare the skin to absorb all the moisture and good stuff from the other stuff you're gonna put on. And same with this, super expensive here in Germany, but it was at a reasonable price, so I was like, okay, let's try it out. Another thing I tried there was also this. It's like face mask, but in a big box. It's like 30, I think 30 face masks in this thing. And it was super cheap compared to the face mask you can get here in Germany. We don't have like those big boxes. Usually you have like single face mask, and then they're like €3 or something per piece. So that was very convenient, and I really like that stuff. I'm not using it daily. I think it's supposed to be a daily mask, but I'm too lazy to do that. So whenever I want to put something on my face, I'm putting on one of those. I don't know what this is. It's called Kiana Rice Pack. And this is also very popular in Japan. It looks weird. I also don't know what this face is supposed to tell me. The face looks... I don't know if this face is a happy face or not. Yeah, it's apparently also a mask. And it makes apparently the skin wonderful. Is what I'm getting from this little strip here. I don't know. Oh yeah, no, don't eat it. Don't eat it. I don't think you're eating it. No, I don't think you're eating this. I think you put this on your face. But yeah, not used it yet. I'm kind of scared to open this as well. It has a very weird texture. So I don't know. But it is very hyped and it was very cheap. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take one of those with me as well. Why not? But yeah, I think this was all the... Yeah, that was all the beauty stuff, basically. I could have bought way more, but the thing is always with the liquid stuff, it It is so heavy in the suitcase, so I was like, okay, no. Just the little things that I really want.